That Guy Flies RC. If you can hear me, we're in the very, very windy Avon Park Club. Here it is on Labor Day 2022. A little bit windy. See the flags? See the windsock? A little too windy, but still gonna fly. So let's see what we can do. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, and no rudder. We're flying the T-7A Red Hawk by X-Fly. Well, let's just give her a shot. Running a 2600 Yahoo or whatever it is, Yahoo 4S center with 130 C discharge. All right. But anyways, this is a pretty cool plane here. Lockheed Martin makes it in real life, if I'm right. I think I'm right. I don't know. I haven't flown this thing in forever. Yeah, I haven't flown her in forever. Boy, is it windy. Here I'm reaching for the imaginary rudder. Yeah, rudder is imaginary rudder. I'm trying to turn and, well, it ain't working. Yeah, it's just a little, see, look at them flags there. It's a little windy, but you can't stop the RC, right? Yeah, you can't stop the RC. That's the way I look at it. Come on, baby.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
My rates are 100% throws, over 30% expo. Boy, she sounds good though. She does sound good. Does sound good. Man, it's windy. Gosh. Here I am reaching for the imaginary rudder again. Oh, windy, windy, windy. I've got the trailing link suspension gear on the nose, and that's helping with the less than stellar landings here. Well, that's a good sounding jet. It really is. Oh, shoot. See, I thought I was on the runway. That's where my depth perception caught me. I'm pretty sure I messed up the nose gear. But let's look and see. I'm definitely not going to try to power. Well, the nose is sitting out. but I've had the nose gear on these smaller X-Fly planes, this one and the 810, they can't take a hard landing in grass. So you got to be careful. Well, she's not, the nose is not in the grass, but yeah, well, let's see. Yeah, I broke it, but that still turns. That's an easy fix, but we're not going to try it anymore today. All right, folks, well, that'll end it. That was my own fault. I thought I was over the runway, but I wasn't, and it's a little windy to be flying anyways. All right, well, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's not a beautiful jet, and that's an easy fix. That ain't nothing. So, and just so you know, that's the Yahoo battery. It's a graphene battery. It's Yahoo 130C discharge 2600 4S. I'm running an older AR36B Spectrum receiver that believes that it is I think it believes it's an A10. So anyways, there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye, y'all.